Power BI is the focal point of our business at PowerPivot Pro, and business is booming. Most of that growth comes from repeat business. So this is customers seeing the amazing ROI that they get from Power BI, and then understandably wanting much more of it.
Because of the Power BI platform and the team, we have crossed over 10,000 downloads in a very short span of launching ValQ.
The effect of Power BI at iLink has been truly transformational.
Dashboard in a Day program helped us not only develop our Power BI knowledge and build strong community, but also resulted in several business opportunities.
Also, the types of organizations that were coming to that dashboard in a day were the type of organizations that quite simply we wouldn't have been able to get organically.
Now, these people are quite different than what we're used to. We're getting QA folks, CFOs, and we're getting the financial analyst also. So the audience has been quite a bit of shift for us, which is matching the new world that we're seeing around business applications. So it's been an excellent event.
The detailed design and solution discussions have been invaluable, whether talking to attendees or customers.
We've delivered more than 90 dyad sessions from New York to California, Bangalore to Delhi, Toronto, and soon we'll be in Germany.
We've trained hundreds of new Power BI users in many European countries.
Power BI is a durable trend. It's a real transformation in the way that people deal with their data. It's still very early, and we're thrilled to be a part of it.